In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 heart-shaped infographic slide in PowerPoint, and you can see here I have created the step 1 with the icon and with some detailed text along with the title, and likewise I have created some more bright colors for the heart shapes. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. Add a new slide and change the background to some light gradient background. Then go to Insert, Shapes, and from Rectangles select Rectangle Top Corners Rounded and just make maybe this much size. And you can see here 2 orange points, one at the below and over at the top. So I'm just going to set the top and drag it inside so it becomes fully curved. Now with this shape I'm going to show you how to make a heart shape. So I'm going to select this shape outline, make it no outline, and then hold the Alt key and press the left arrow key so it turns something like this. So you can see here I've clicked 3 times. Press Ctrl D again to duplicate the shape and give some different color and just place it exactly on top of that. Now using the Alt and the right arrow key, so first hold the Alt key and then click on the right arrow key 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time, and then I'm just going to bring it here exactly and send this to back. You can see the heart shape is ready. Is that simple? That is very simple to make the heart shape. Now I'm just going to highlight this both shapes. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and keep it aside for later use. I'm now going to give some gradient fill. For this, select the image the shape, right mouse click, go to Format Shape and select a gradient fill. Gradient fill, I'm going to select the type as linear, and the first one I'm going to give some kind of a pink color, and here I'm going to make it maybe more darker color, so it looks something like this. And this also I'm just going to do the same gradient fill, and maybe I'm just going to increase the other way direction. You can just change the direction, something like this. Now I'm going to select these 2 shapes, then go to Format, Merge Shapes, just say Union. So you got one shape now, and shape fill, make it a white color and increase the size a little bit by holding the Shift key and bring it here and just send to back. So it too much big, you can just reduce the size and make it something like this. Now we can say that one shape is ready. So I want to give some more shadow effect here. For that I'm going to go to Insert, Shapes, select a rectangle, maybe this much size, and say gradient fill. I'm going to select this and make it a black color, and this one I'm going to select this color, which is the pink, and transparency level make it to 100%, and this you can increase also a little bit, and shape outline make it no outline and bring it here, rotate it, and just paste it here and select this and just say bring to front. So you can see here you have got this kind of shape ready, and now it's time to add some text and some icons to it. And you can add some more shadow effect at the background. For that, I'm just going to select this white heart shape, press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and I'm going to give the color which is a black, and I'm going to make it somewhat transparent and go to effects. Under soft edges, increase the size. So you can see here it looks something like this. Maybe we need to increase the size by holding the shift key and just bring it here and go to format, send to back. So you can see here it gives more. Okay, now I'm just going to add some icons. Go to insert icons, and you need to have a active internet connection for this. Let me just select this, go to click insert and just reduce the size, put it here, and graphic fill, make it white, and then go to insert text effects and just say option 01. I'm going to use the font called Century Gothic, make it bold, center aligned, put it here, and the font should be white, and then you can just add some detailed text here. Go to insert text box, add detailed text here. Again, I'm going to make it maybe a light gray color, Century Gothic, reduce the size and put it here. So you can see here the heart shape is ready. I can select all, or I can press Ctrl A and Ctrl G to group it and put it here. If you want, you can hold the shift key and reduce the size like this. And this also, the numbers also, the text also, you can reduce the size. So likewise, I can just press Ctrl D. I can copy as many as I want depending on the requirement. So I can add maybe 5. And then it's easy. You can just come here and start changing the colors. Maybe I'll just select this, and I'm going to select this color. Again, I'm going to select the same color here. So you can see here, likewise, you can just change the color of the heart shapes. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.